Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw someone dancing. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our person dancing, we're going to begin with the head. I want to start right here, and we're just going to draw a little line that's just going to come down and up, like a U shape. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and one that's going to come down for the top of the hair. I'm going to add a little face in here. I'm going to begin by making a little sad face for an eye and another one for another eye. We'll add a little curved line for the nose. And a little line across for the mouth. Then we want to make a nice, tall, smiley face for the mouth with a little sad face for the tongue. We can color this part of the mouth in. Now, right here, I want to make it look like they're wearing some headphones. I'll begin by drawing a little line that goes out. It's going to come down and over. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out, we're going to come down and over. We'll make a little half circle shape on each side. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up. It's going to come down a little bit. Then we're going to go up and down here for the hair. Now for the top of the headphones, let's draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come around and back down to here. And we'll draw another line that's going to go up. It's going to come around and back down to here. Starting here, I'm going to add a little circle shape for the bottom of the ponytail. And I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve. We'll bring it up. And we'll bring another one that goes down and curve it up. Right here, we'll add a little line that comes down and up for the neck. Over here, we'll make a line that goes out. We're going to come down and then back for an arm. And over here, we'll draw a line that goes up. We'll come out. We'll go down and then back here to the ponytail. Starting here, we'll draw a line that comes down. It's going to go over and up. I'll draw a little line that comes out here for the arm and another one here. We'll do the same thing here, draw a little line out and another one. We'll make a little line that goes up and down for a thumb. We'll do another one here. Then we'll add just a couple more little round shapes for some fingers right here. We'll add a little curved line for the hand. We'll do that same thing here. We'll add some little long lines for some fingers and connect to here with a little line for the hand. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, and we're going to bring it back up. Right here, we're going to draw a line that goes over, and it's going to come down. We'll go up, and bring it back up like this. Next, we're going to make it come right to here. Starting here, we'll make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to curve up to here. And we'll make another line. It's going to come down, and it's going to curve up to here. We'll add a little line right across the bottom of the shoes. Right up here, I'm going to add 2 little lines for some eyebrows. And then I'm just going to add a couple little music notes coming out of here, just to kind of help us, show all of, the little dance stuff. So we're just going to add a couple little music notes right around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of somebody dancing. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.